guys, it's Melissa from Nature's Garden. Today I'm going to show you how to make lip gloss using our all-natural lip balm base. Let's whip it up! Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to use Nature's Garden's all-natural lip balm base to create a lip gloss. So what we're going to do is take equal parts lip balm base and castor oil. Castor oil is really great for lip gloss just because of its glide. It's also really great for your lips as well. And what we're doing is taking 30 grams of the all-natural lip balm base and 30 grams of the castor oil. And what we're going to do is just mix them together in a container, and we are going to melt them in the microwave in 30-second increments. And once it's melted, we're going to bring it back. All right, so now that our lip balm base is melted, it took about 2 minutes, like I said, in 30-second intervals, just until it's in a fluid state. Now we're gonna go ahead and add a couple of additional ingredients. We have our Kiss of Death flavoring, and we're gonna add about 20 drops. So in addition to our flavoring, we're going to go ahead and add a few drops of the Diva Red Lip Tint. And now we're simply going to pour it into our lip balm containers, or our lip gloss containers in this case. We are using the 10 milliliter lip balm pots. And while we're waiting for this to set up, we'll go ahead and move on to our next color. Okay, so for our next round, we're going to use the same ratio, 30 grams of lip balm base and 30 grams of castor oil. This time we're going to use our Prissy Pink lip tint, so you can see what that one looks like. And once again, we're just going to melt our lip balm base in the microwave. All right, so once again, we're adding our flavoring. We're using the Kiss of Death flavoring. And this time we're using our Prissy Pink. And then we'll just pour it into our pots. The next color that we're going to be using is our Passion Plum. And it's going to kind of give you a nice purple color. Now keep in mind the lip tints will just give you a slight tint to your lip gloss. They're not going to be full on color like you would get from a thicker or different type of coloring. Okay, so the last lip tint that we're going to be using is the Passion Plum. And we're going to go ahead and add that in. And then, of course, we want to add our flavoring. All right, and now we're simply going to let them set up and they'll be ready to use. As you can see, you can get quite the range of colors with the lip tints. This one has a Diva Red, just a tiny bit. We use the Prissy Pink in this color. And then the Passion Plum in this one. So, for even more fragrance fun ideas, make sure you check out our website at www.naturesgardencandles.com. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and that you like the video and comment below. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye, guys.